Discussed about trigonometry. So in this class we are going to discuss about the application of the trigonometry. This trigonometry that is used in our day-to-day life. Now I am presenting some practical situation. Look at here. This is the image of the Mount Everest, and probably you might have know what is the height of the Mount Everest. But tell me one thing, how can they measure the height of the Mount Everest? It is practically not possible to measure the height of the Mount Everest by using a tag. So, this is Mount Everest, and what is its height? How can you measure the height of this Mount Everest? So, it is impossible to measure it with the help of the measuring tape. Now, come to the second situation. Here, a boy is standing near a river and is trying to measure the width of the river. So it is practically not possible to measure by using the tape. So another example. Look at here, it is the Eiffel Tower. And what is the height of the Eiffel Tower? Look at here. In the three cases, the first one is the height, the second one is the distance. So such height and distance can be calculated by using the application of trigonometry. Now we need to learn some terms that is related to the height and distance. The first one is the line of sight, second one is the horizontal, and the angle of elevation and angle of declination. So these four things are very much important. Whenever we are trying to solve the what problems based on the application of trigonometry, these four are the basic pillar. Look at here. Here a boy is standing in front of the house, and here one is the observer and another one is the object. The boy is looking to the cow. So this imaginary line connecting the eye of the observer and the object, this is known as the line of sight. Suppose the boy is observing now towards the door. Look at here. Here, this is the object. Here, this is the object, and the object is looking towards the observer is looking towards the object. So here, an imaginary line can be drawn between the observer and the eye. So this one is known as the line of sight. Suppose the boy is looking towards the apple. Okay? Now, if we are going to draw a line in between the observer eye and the apple, this is said to be the line of sight. Then, suppose the boy is looking towards the flower. If we are going to draw a line in between the observer eye and the object, this is known as the line of sight. Now look at here, the boy is looking towards the apple. So this line is said to be the line of sight. So this can be the possible line of sights. So line of sights क्या है कि इमेजिन करो कि यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्वर है और हम जिसको देख रहे हैं, तो दो पॉइंट के बीच में तो लाइन बन सकता है, ऑब्जर्वर का आई और जहां हम देख रहे हैं, that line is said to be the line of sight. Then the next one, what is the angle of elevation? Look at here, as I told you, if we draw a line, that line is parallel to the ground. This is ground, this one is this is ground, and here this line is exactly parallel to the ground. So here this is known as the horizontal line. So horizontal line बेसिकली क्या है कि ऑब्जर्वर जहाँ पे खड़ा हुआ है और वो एक स्ट्रेट एक ऐसा इमेजिनरी लाइन जो कि ग्राउंड के साथ क्या हो पैरेलल हो, तो उसको हम कहेंगे horizontal line. Now look at here. The boy is observing to the top of the tree. And here, suppose I am going to draw a line. This line. And this line is said to be, क्या कहेंगे उस लाइन को हम? Line of sight. Then this is the line of sight. This one is the line of sight. Now look at here, an angle is formed here. This angle. Here, this angle is known as the angle of elevation. This angle is known as the angle of elevation. And one point to be noted here that the angle of elevation, this angle of elevation always form above the horizontal line. Above the horizontal line. So always the angle of elevation always form above the horizontal line. Then look at here. The another term is the angle of depression. Here, this line is parallel to the ground. So this line is said to be the